How to delete all chats in Messenger. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete all chats in Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger mobile application. You will land on the app's homepage just as you can see here. After that, when you long press on a message, a menu with many options pops up. One of them is delete, but this only applies to this specific message. This means that if you have a lot of messages, then you will need to delete them one at a time, which is time-consuming. There is another option or way you can delete all messages, although many people don't prefer to go that route. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, a side panel with several options will appear. From those options, make sure you tap on the settings icon. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol at the top left corner of the screen. You will land on the settings page of the app where there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app, as you can see here. Make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, tap this option here named See More in the Account Center. You will then be taken to this other page here where there are several sections. Next, go to this section named Account Settings, and then you have to tap on this option named Personal Details. From there, you will then land on this other page where you will see more options. From them, tap this one named Account Ownership and Control. Under the Account Ownership and Control, you will see more options. From those options, tap this one here named Deactivation or Deletion. You will then have to select the profile you want to delete. The only option you have is to delete your account and create a new one again. That way, all the messages will be deleted too. So, if you are sure about deleting your account, proceed and tap here, and your account will be deleted. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to delete all chats in Messenger.